Vocabulary Alzheimer, a common disease many students struggle with, and probably you. Here's the solution with the secret fourth step that only smart kids use, so make sure to watch till the end. First step is when you stumble across a word which you don't know the meaning of, write it down on a piece of paper or type it on a doc. By the way, be aware of the brutal truth of this application. For more information, check out the video in the top right hand corner of the screen. Anyways, the second step is to search the word up on Google, and if the word is like share, which has many relevant synonyms, write the synonym down, not the definition. It's much easier to remember one word, the synonym, rather than 10 words, the definition. The brutal truth of the English language is that some words don't have any synonyms that clearly match the definition. Like subscribe. I'm sorry, but unfortunately you'll have to write down the definition. The third step is to insert the word into a flashcards app like Quizlet and to memorize it. But now I'm revealing the secret that only 10% of people do, like I've done in this video. Fourth step is to use the word. You see, flashcards aren't 100% effective because you need to be able to use the word by understanding how to accurately embed it into sentences. That is what makes vocabulary useful. So look over the examples of words used in sentences and make your own. Don't stop there, but use the word in your essays. This will really hammer down the word in your brain and bump up your writing skills. Hang on there, there's another way you can excel in writing using a secret acronym called FEFISH. Check this video out. See you there.